Good morning, beautiful babes. Who am I fooling? It's afternoon, and the last time you saw me, I was doing this right here. And this is what you get. Dee-dee. Yeah, that's her. Let's give it to you from the angle y'all see it in all the time right there. Okay, now I've got to finish trimming that today. It was a chore. Yes, it was. And I still got some cat faces around this place that I need to take care of. Oh my goodness. Get a little more light. Great. Both of my ceiling fans came today. I still have not touched up the ceiling at all. It's been such a chore, y'all. Just, you know, the longer the days get, the longer the days get. So we got a lot of little knick-knackings to do, and that's what's consuming a lot of the time. I don't think I showed y'all the pictures I put up, which you've seen them before if you've been around a minute. I did not put the coffee one back over here. I put the Mi Casa Su Casa over here. Live well, love much, laugh often. That's definitely us. My wine picture, you saw that one the other day, and those are up there. The only ones I think I'm not gonna put up are probably the ones that were over on this side. Might do a whole different vibe. So that's it right there. Okay. So let me do something. I'll see y'all in a minute. All right, we got our little gadget hooked up. I don't know if y'all can see it or not all back there, but we put our Ajax detergent, hooked it up to the little line, ran it to this pump.
It don't have to be Ajax.
Well, I said our Ajax. That's what we use in case they want to send us some. And we got our detergent, our what you call it? Our dishwashing detergent comes right out of there, like so. Boop. Now it's time to wash dishes. Oh, I don't have any because I cleaned up last night. Yay!
It worked.
Mike strikes again. Mike strikes again.
I can't believe that damn thing worked.
Before I waste my mother freaking water all over the floor, I was about to tell y'all that I have really enjoyed vlogging every day with this experience of doing the kitchen and the bathroom, this DIY stuff. I really have, and I've been enjoying hanging out with y'all in this context. It's been pretty cool. If you like it, let me know, and maybe I can try to keep up some things that I do on a daily over here on Behind the Scenes. That would be pretty cool. What you think? I know she ain't no different today. She's still looking crazy. What can I say? What can I say? It is what it is. So wasted most of my water, and I barely have any to take with my vitamins. This morning, or this afternoon, I don't know why I'm saying this morning, because it's afternoon. Way in the afternoon. Listen, B12. This is great for supporting your nerves and your body cells, and I think it gives me energy. It gives me that get up and go, and I need that today. So we're gonna pop one of these little bitty ones. Yes. And then, oh my gosh, I've been loving these. I don't know if y'all checked out my video on this, but I have already requested my next order, and this is the Glow, which is pretty much like the biotin stuff, but on a more natural level to help with your hair, your nails, and your skin. And this is the Goddess, baby. That keeps the girl, you know, with pep in her step, zest in her chest, all that good stuff. Y'all need to check out my video on this. Ooh, and yes, I had to re-up on these because they everything. I take mine, put it under my tongue. Okay. So much for that. Now it's time to get to work. I need to go stain my board that's going on the shelf I just painted last night. I still have to go around the edge of it because I didn't feel like taping it off, so I'm going to do that. And then we're going to start working on touching up some of the cat faces in the kitchen area. And got a lot of electrical work to do. have the mirrored, the lighted mirror to put up in the bathroom. We have the blind to put up in the bathroom. We have the vent to put up in the bathroom. We have ceiling fans to put up here in the kitchen. And we have an outlet to replace. So all of that's done. Oh, I did not show y'all. Hold up. Gotta keep y'all informed. Gotta keep y'all informed. If you can see back there, did I show you the plugs I put in? That, you know, you can have your cell phone charge up. If you have an iPhone, you just hook it up there into that little thingamajig right there. Yeah, anything, both, yeah. That's a little adapter for your iPhone charge. Perfect, eh? And not only that, got one over here, but I have one over here as well. And back there as well, which is actually a little cord that you can plug in right here as well. And the great part about it is, let's say you want to charge up your phone. Guess what? Guess what? And y'all ain't gonna believe this, your girl finally got an iPhone. Oh my gosh, that was last week though, sometime. But anyway, you can just pop it right up there and it'll charge. Or if I'm cooking or something, I just want the phone somewhere around and I'm listening to something, I can put it right there. And guess what? Keep it stepping and it's out of my way. Perfect, eh? I love it. Amazon.
Come on, sit down. Okay, get it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Well, this project is done. This is the mirror, y'all. It's so pretty. I love it. Oh my gosh. But the lighting, I'm not sure if it's bright enough or is it gonna get brighter as the sun goes down. Who knows? And it has, excuse my working hands. Excuse the working hands. This is for to defog the mirror when you get out of the shower and turn it off and on like so. And that's to, well, I thought it was going to brighten it, but I don't know. Does it brighten? Nope, I don't see it getting any brighter, but it looks like it's gotten brighter when I closed the blind. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows? I'm out of here.
The picture fits back up there.
Perfectly. Everything perfect.
Okay.
So the bookcase, I guess I could call it a bookcase, is pretty much finished. I'm gonna go ahead and get Mike to drop in the wood piece I just stained. Everything should be dry over here. Right now I'm just working around the trim of the doorway with a gloss paint. And yeah, we're good. We are good.
I get ready to say my hands to me and the puppet.
I am. I'm gonna put this on and I'm coming out.
Easy things.